Hello friends, so let's start with the corner one which we have used or decorated in my living area. Now in this corner, if you see, we have used three different plants. All these indoor plants are our air purifier plants, and in middle we have started with keeping a pothos. Now to give a vertical look or to give the height to this plant, because it's kind of a climber, what we have used is this moss stick in between. This gives a vertical heights or a look to your plant, which will give a very nice way to show that it can be very bushy, but at the same time it's using the height, it's using the space vertically. Now that is one thing. Now I've kept it into if you see, a wooden bench, just a small bench. On top of it is a black pot on which this pothos is kept. Now this pothos is one of a very good air purifier plant. Now along with this we have used snake plant. Snake plant again is a very good air purifier, which we have potted into a very big white pot, and we place some pebbles so that it gives a beautiful look. And also if you see at the end, at the bottom, we have used a very small stand just to give this plant some kind of a height. So from up, if you look at it, it gives you some kind of a height, as the leaves and the foliage of snake plants are always very sturdy and hardy. So that gives a very nice look. And the other corner, I have used the fiddle fig leaf plant. Again, it's a very sturdy plant with a very big foliage. And if you see at the bottom, there is again the same stand we have used to give some more height to this plant. So combination of these three plants create one good corner in the living space. So in the second corner, this is kind of a candle which we have created as like a DIY. Also you can use some kind of scented candles like this, which is placed in the glass jar. And what we have are using these kind of candles to give a very nice look along with these plants. So if you see, there is a tray placed. In that tray we have tried to keep some candles along with some, again, DIYs, some glass jars on which I have kept the fairy lights to give it a very nice cozy look in my bedroom. It's a boho look which I have tried to create it over here. So these are the plants which I have used to create this look over here. So generally this plant is called as like an umbrella plant. So this plant is a good air purifier. At the same time, the look, the foliage, the kind of a texture of the leaves on this plant just gives a very beautiful corner. So I have used this plant because it's very bushy again. Now use some sturdy plants like snake plant to go or combine with it. Again, a great air purifiers. And then a very big ZZ plants. So if you see the ZZ plants, the look of the ZZ plant is so nice that a big stem and have the same pattern of leaf. So that gives a very nice look. And my ZZ plant is really doing very well in my bedroom. So this entire combination I kept in some kind of jute basket, or I have made some kind of a pots with jute, or some kind of a tray with jute ropes, and also I have used this jute carpet to give the base to this entire look. Now candles, dream catcher, all these things are the accessories which I have used to decorate this space, which is an extra thing along with an indoor plant. But the main beauty or the overall look is coming out from this indoor plants only, which are a great air purifier, which is very good to keep at your bedroom, and also to give a very, very beautiful space at one corner of your bedroom. So this is another corner, the way we can create in our bedroom. The first one was more of like living room.